What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, shooting this video here. Another $250 payment just came through. One of the many income streams that I do have, guys. I do have educational platforms that shows you how to master marketing from the online side of it, guys. So that is one of my products, one of my programs, and I do get paid from because I am an affiliate with the program. So with this program, I'm able to make $100, $25 commissions, $100 commissions, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions. And pretty much what it is that I point people into a direction where they can actually learn internet marketing. The thing is that this business is so saturated with a lot of scammers, man, where they got all these different trainings and all this other bull, to the point to where they'll say, oh, sign up for my training, pay me $500, pay me $600. You know, I'd rather put you inside of a platform that's going to teach you that, where you can also make an additional income with the same system. Guys, I signed up for this company, this program, probably about 2-3 years ago, and I don't do monthlies or anything like that with it. It was a one-time payment, pretty much been inside, and now, guys, I'm able to collect multiple commissions off of this program. So, you know, another $250 payment did come in. You know, someone actually came at that level, so now they're qualified for the $250, $100, and the $25 level. So, you know, they have a vault full of training for each product level as far as online marketing goes. It's going to teach them the ins and outs. And pretty much get them to the next level. So I just wanted to shoot this video really quick here just to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, and how, that another payment just come through. So, you know, I put up a payment last week, you know, of a $250 payment, and I showed you my Easy 1-Up payments, and I showed you that I got paid with the Conversion Pros. So the payments, they don't stop. The money, it don't stop. It's just about being positioned and getting yourself in the right position so you too can make the same money, or you can actually eat like I eat, guys. So I just wanted to shoot this video just to show you exactly what is possible and what you can do with opportunities that are presented to you. So I don't know who these people are. A lot of my businesses run on autopilot. So, you know, these type of payments just come in. Now with my main programs, as far as like, you know, MyEcon, things like that, guys, those programs, you know, are more interpersonal programs and things like that. So I prefer you reach out to me, send me emails, so that way, like I said, I can put you in a position to win. These are more educational platforms, so people that don't sign up or are not qualified at the $250 level or so like that, a lot of these sales get passed up to me. So that's why I tell people, be positioned, get positioned. I wouldn't want you missing your funds. I don't even know where this sale come from, honestly. So click the link, get involved. I just want to shoot this video real quick, man. I'm pulling up at the house, so I just want to shoot it before I got in a loud, very, very loud house. And check it out, man. You know, see exactly what I'm on, see what I'm doing. I mean, you see, I'm getting money. You can do the same thing. I'm a rapper. I come from the rap game, and I learned this. So if I learned it, trust me, you can. This wasn't on my radar. This type of business wasn't on my radar. I wasn't thinking about making money online and doing these type of programs. But once I got involved and started getting people, you know, going as well, things changed. My mindset changed. Everything changed. So my goal is to help you succeed, help you get in a situation. You're looking at somebody that's going to set up a time to talk. If I can't answer the phone right away, I'm definitely, you know, want to set up a time. If I can't call you, I'm going to text you. If I can't text you, I'm going to email you. So my lines of communication are always open. So if you're looking for, you know, you don't like MyEcon, you don't like MCA, you don't like, well, you got to like TCP because that's the marketing system. That's what puts it all on autopilot. But if you don't like any of those programs, check this out, man. You can make a lot of money with this program just by showing people, having an educational product to teach people. There are people online all day, every day trying to make money, but no one is educated. The ocean is full of fish for you to go after, okay? So do what you have to do. Set yourself up in a position. Get positioned, whatever. So check it out. Why are you still here? Why are you still watching me? Click the link. Share this video. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Do something, all right? I'm out. Hit that link.